Hey guys, this is MDP Tech, and today I'm unboxing this awesome new kit for my tech inventory. So, and here it is. It's the Sony A7C. It's not the newest camera, but I decided to go with the Sony A7C because of the I detect autofocus in the video, and that's pretty much what I want in of course the track and autofocus. So better autofocus, a little better camera for my use case than A7 III, because since I like to take a look what I'm filming, so it would be good to have a flip up screen that I can look at. So here we have some sort of Baltic guarantee information document. Let's get that out of the way. Okay. Simple manual, of course in Lithuanian. Okay. Yep. Not a lot of info here, but it's in Lithuanian, so let's leave it to the side. Okay, what do we have? We have ISO from 100 to 51,200. I guess the same as Sony A7 III. 10 frames per second, but I think it's more like 6 if you go full RAW, not compressed RAW. Face detection AF point 693, good AF. Then a 35mm full frame 24.2 megapixel sensor. Yes, 5-axis steady shot inside. It's actually 4.5 stops. Not as good as an A7 III, but it has real-time tracking. Real-time AF, IAF, and microphone headphone jacks. And it's good that it's small. The package is actually very small. And of course, another good thing is that it has the best Sony battery, the FZ100. FZ100? Is it called FZ100? FZ100, yes. Yes. Okay. Let's take out the... Oof. Right. Not going to be so easy, huh? Anyways, that's what happened when we don't have knife. Okay, I think that would be enough. Don't open this up. Yes, cool. Now let's try to rate the presentation. Good colors, black, I like it. What do we have? 1 year extended warranty. Nice. Great cameras deserve the best lenses. Scan me and discover more. So you can get 100 euros back from your purchase, but you need to pretty much buy the G or GM lenses from Sony. So what lens I chose, you're gonna see in the next video, or in the video somewhere here. It should be the link. Okay, what else do we have? European guarantee information document. Okay, card for France. Okay, I guess that's just because of the battery. Something in Russian or Ukrainian, but printed in Thailand. Okay, so yes. Now we have reference material. Okay. Lenses and accessories. Okay, and of course the guide, the help web manual, or interchangeable lens digital camera startup guide, GP. So how big is that? It's very, just 11 pages. That small? Even the Jared Poland video is like 1 hour 30 minutes, I think, about all these simple guide, simple user guide. We'll see. Okay, the note. Camera body and battery may get warm with use. This is normal. Of course, of course. Now, this presentation, okay, I love it. This is surely the battery. No, this is charger, because this has the USB power. Okay. What's the power of it? What's the input? Output 5 volts, 1.7.5 watts. Not a lot, not a lot. But well, this is the battery. Yeah, I feel the weight. Yes, this is the battery with the Sony logo. Nice. MPFZ100. Nice. These two little thingies look similar. Okay, that's the strap. I will be using the strap when I'm traveling, when I'm shooting the video, probably not, still. Oh, and it's written A7C. I don't know, do I want it to be written here? Well, anyways, it is what it is. Put that to the side here. Yes. So this is European, and this is the charger, the UK charger. I'm gonna leave it at the box, but of course I'm gonna unbox the European cord. I guess that's going to be, yes, a short one, but if it works, it works, yeah. Now, I guess this is the camera. I'm going to leave it last. Yes. Ooh, Sony cable. I love actually the Sony cables. Not that they're quality or something, but I love how Sony makes these cables. Similar to Apple, just I think Sony cables are more rugged. They're not braided or something, but they always look, you know, they're always good to look into, and they are always good to feel. Like the braiding of Sony and the USB logo, you know. Yes. Bam. Here we go. Even this blue color, you know, down there, it's a little different than any simple USB cable. I guess Sony is Sony. Yes, so that's that. That was everything from there. Now, the main course. The main course. Put it to the side. And let's unbox the real thing. Oh, how pleasantly it's less plasticky than I thought. I thought it's going to be like almost you know, as a nice. Look at this. I thought it's going to be like not too big EVF, but if it works, it works. You see, you can, okay, T-sonar. Let's look, what do we have here? Yeah, here we have mic port. Here is the CF Express A card or SD slot, and here we have USB-C charge port or micro HDMI, and the headphone. I guess this is the headphone. Yeah, this is the headphones. This is the headphones. Cool. Now, damn, with optical image stabilization. That was the one thing that I wanted. Yes, let's put the battery in. And okay, it's this side, I guess. Bam. Cool. So that was the unboxing of the Sony A7C Mark I camera. We'll see how it goes for me. We'll see what we're gonna achieve with it. So thank you for watching. It was MTP Tech, and see you next time when I'm going to unbox the lens for this camera. Bye.